What's up, guys? Fan here today. Today, you guys may have been noticed a thing called Python. Python is a game where, not a game, but it's a program site where basically make little modules of sort of like create a role and all that. And all that type of stuff, but I've been getting into this a long way. Next up, versions. There's many versions of Python. Today, the most updated version today is 3.9 to 0.40, actually not 0.40, but 2 for Windows 10 and all that. There's all types of releases all the way back in 2.7. Yeah, 2.6 was the oldest version, and they died. So yeah, back to what I was saying. The feed was about pygame. Pygame was a thing for an extension for Python, where you could basically make programs that load images and all that, make animate. Now this animation can be led to people probably making games. So we're gonna go to the website. As you know, the Pygame 1 is old. We're going to Pygame 2. Where is it? Am I logged in? I don't think I'm logged in. Okay, so give me a second, guys. We're going to download. The website, the most recent to this, that you're not going down to the target PCs for Windows users. You're going to the MSIs. So yeah, the MSIs, the latest one, you're going to be downloading the 1.9.2 A0 Windows 32 PY 3.2 MSI 6.4 bit. So now we're going to download it. I don't know about extract, but you're going to do this. You're going to double click that. And all that. I'm going to do that. I was going to say repair it and all that. So guys, I'm trying to do better for you this by now. My quality stream was a little bit better than the last few times, like a few years ago. Go click finish. As you all know, you could try go to Python right now, and you probably will enter import pygame or something like that. It might actually work for me. Yeah, it wouldn't do this for you guys. It would just say error and all that. So what you would do is you go to command prompt. You type in command prompt. And what you do is you basically see this, right? What was it? Oh, I'm pretty sure. Give me a second. Python. What was it called? Wait, pygame command prompt. what you do is you enter Python 3 dash m pip install dash capital U, they choose capital U dash user. Then yes. Hold on. Oh, excuse me. That's not that. Actually, py-m pip install can't hardly see over there. Capital U pygame. Oops, I messed up the exam. Hold on, it's going to give me an error. Give me a second. Py-m pip install capital U pygame user. You're gonna get all this. It's gonna do this now. Now, what you do is now, since it's installed and all that, you go to the shell again, import pygame. Just give me a second, I gotta reload it. No, perfect. No, okay. You can even do this here. Come on. Python. You type Python. You type Python here, right? You're going to type in import Python. You can even run this thing. Sure. No, it's import Python. Bingo. It works, guys. Now you got your own little Pygame. Bye. Let's see here. Install.